Good morning. I'm Dr. BASEL J.A. I'm an assistant professor at Applied Science University in Kingdom of Bahrain. Today, I'm delighted to present to you my proposed article titled The Influence of Accounting Computer Information Processing Technology on Enterprise Internal Control under panel data, which I have co-authored with Shan, Dong, Zhang, and Wen. I have had the pleasure of collaborating with many colleagues from different countries on publications throughout my career. I'm excited to continue this tradition of collaboration with my upcoming publication, which will include co-authors from China. As per literature review and previous studies, accounting computer information processing technology have been developed to help organizations manage and process financial information in an efficient and effective manner. My proposed article aims to investigate the impact of accounting computer information processing technology on internal control. Our study will employ quantitative research design, which involves the collection and analysis of numerical data. In conclusion, our proposed article aims to investigate the effect of accounting computer information processing technology on internal control by using quantitative research in manufacturing companies. We believe this research will provide valuable information and will help organizations to improve their internal control through the adoption of accounting information technology. Finally, we would like to express our thanks to Applied Science University and my colleagues for their support in this research project. Thank you.